Okay. Okay, so tanawa si Kuya Dario. Okay, ari ka sa, ari kaya Dar. Alright. Okay. Okay, lower Kuya Mike. Lower. Okay. So kids scouts, are you ready for your oath taking? Okay, so. Okay, raise your right hand and repeat before me. I, your name, hereby take this oath to continue all the things I have learned in Jollibee Kids Club. Natuto akong gumuhit, kumanta, sumayaw, magbasa at tumulong sa kapwa. Lahat ng ito ay ibabahagi ko sa iba at lagi kong sisikaping maging isang mabuting bata. Ito ang aking pangako at ibibigay ko ang lahat ng aking makakaya. I am a member of Jollibee Kids Club where I can get even better. Alright, so this time, let's give them a big round of applause.